In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can post to a discussion in a forum. So we are back on our course page. And for our July 15th class, we have a discussion activity. What is your favorite animal and why? So if we click on that, it will take us to our forum. You could see that there has already been a answer given. So that's here. So at the very top, you can see the instructions for this forum activity. So it says start a new discussion with the answer to the question, what is your favorite animal and why? And the second part is you have to respond to one other post with the question to the original poster. So I'm going to click on add a new discussion topic. For the subject, that's what people will see when they first go to the forum activity. So I'm going to put my subject. And then you also need to include the message, which is answering the question, what is your favorite animal and why? Once you are done with your message, you could click Post to Forum. And now you could see that your addition to the discussion is right here. The second part is you have to respond to one other post with a question. So I'm going to go to this other post, read what they said. And then over here, I could click Reply, and I could write my reply. Okay, so I have to ask a question. So you will see that your response is placed below the original post. If you want to go back to the forum, you could use that navigation at the top. Just click on the title of the forum activity, and then we'll take you back. You can see that you have replied to this post, and then the post that you wrote is also included.